Okay, here's what you're going to need to get those pickups in your ukulele and get them far enough back to where you can get to that bridge plate, because you can't get your hands in there unless you have some real little hands. All right, you're going to need a clamp like this. This is a deep throat clamp. You can Google that and you'll find several of them. You can buy a luthier kind for probably 40-50 bucks, or you can buy one of these for around $8 to $10. Home Depot even have them. This one's a Bessie 3.5 by 3 by 4.5, so it'll go back in 4 inches, into your uke. Some instant tacky or some of the blue tack to put on this so you can hook your piezos to it. And these are JJB and they are wonderful. And a mirror so you can see where you're going to put it. This mirror is a small mirror that I think I got from Harbor Freight, not sure. It has a threaded end, so it's a small handle so you can get it inside the uke. It comes with a very small mirror, so I went to the dollar store and I bought a compact mirror that's 2 inches, and I just broke the plastic off of it, and I've got it stuck on there with a piece of this instant tacky. And it was great because then I could see that I'm going to use 2 pickups, because my bridge on my uke is pinned right here, so I can't put them right underneath there, so I'm going to put them on each end of that bridge plate. Okay, that should do it here. Okay, I'm now going to put that piezo one at a time in there and secure it to the bottom of the bridge plate. Also on the bridge, you see the 2 little dots. Those are the 2 pins that are holding it down on the ukulele. I will be putting this on this part of the C, or deep throat C, deep throat U clamp, and to hold it on with some of that Arlene's tacky stuff. And then I will be putting super glue, gel super glue on there, and I'm using Loctite. JJB says they've had great luck with Loctite, so that's what I'm going to put on there. Then I'm going to insert that clamp into the hole here, kind of like that. And then when I get over the bridge, there will be this piece of wood on here. I didn't want to clamp directly to the bridge, and I will clamp it down tight for a few minutes and then take it off, and hopefully everything is secured on there and works the way I want it to. And if you're watching this, then you can know that happened. Just one other note: always cover up your instrument. After 25 years of being a wannabe luthier, and a motto that says, if I can't screw it up enough, a professional can't fix it, but learned a lot of stuff. And that is really important, because you can end up scratching, you can end up dropping some kind of solvent or something on your instrument, and it's not nice. So here we go. Alrighty, everything came together perfectly great. This is an Ohana 5-string, and it's a great uke. It's all solid mahogany. There's the end pin jack, all installed. Everything went through just really nicely by using the C clamp, deep throat C clamp, deep throat U clamp. If you Google that, you can find them for like $8-9 and different links. Harbor Freight has them. They're cheap, so it's an easy way to get your pickup from here back underneath the bridge, because you can't get your hands inside these holes. The guitar is very easily to do. You can reach clear back all the way to the end of everything. Anyway, it turned out perfectly. Unplugged, here it is. And plugged in. These JJ pickups are awesome. I have them in my Calling CJ35, my Martin 017. A lot less money than the major one that you hear about all the time, and every bit as good. And Jesse is so awesome with customer service. You call him, you can send him a text. But anyway, plugged in. this little video helped you. Anybody that was having trouble getting the pickups back far enough in a nuke, that's just one way to do it, the only way I know how. Any other way, you always end up having to stick your pickups up in here or down below, and still can't say enough about JJB. JJB, check them out.